What's up everybody? Rishi here, and in this video we will learn how to choose the right offers for promoting on YouTube. There are two important factors that we need to take into consideration for the same. First is the conditions of the offer, and second, matching the right offer to our traffic type, that is YouTube traffic. Let us look at the first important factor first. Under this, there are three things that we need to take into consideration. Firstly, offer needs to have a good EPC. Second, we need to take into the restrictions that the offers have. Thirdly, the offer needs to have a good landing page. EPC or earnings per click means how much on an average can you expect to make for every click to the offer. This is a very important metric, especially for paid traffic. So if an offer has a EPC of 40 cents, you can easily estimate that if you buy traffic for less than 40 cents per click, then you can make a profit. For YouTube traffic, we are not going to take this metric too much into consideration as we will not be investing in buying traffic. But yes, we will still see which offers are converting best, and in most cases the affiliate managers will know this information. So contacting them would be the best thing to do. Every offer has certain conditions as to which traffic source you can use to promote them. You cannot promote every offer through YouTube. For the sake of this example, I'm going to use the network Max Bounty. In Max Bounty, whichever offers allow social PPC traffic, only those offers can be promoted via YouTube. For example, take a look at the restrictions of this following offer. Here we can see the allowed traffic types that can be used to promote this offer. It says that banner and contextual traffic can be used. Search, social, mobile traffics cannot be used, as well as email and incentive. In our case, we are concerned with the social traffic, which means that we cannot promote this offer via YouTube. And this is something very important to keep in mind, because if you promote an offer that does not allow YouTube traffic, then you could get your account terminated and you may not get paid for the leads. Good offer landing page. In the last video, we talked about this new offer Nauseam Plus, which people are looking for to promote it. This is the landing page of the offer. Actually, this is the website of the offer, and this is an example of a good landing page. For example, it has good graphics, testimonials, lots of social proof, and they have also targeted the audience well. For example, their main target audience is like people who travel and I think experience motion sickness, I think even pregnant women. So if you are promoting this offer, you could choose an angle. I mean, like, let us say that you are targeting pregnant women who get the feeling of nausea. So maybe you can offer them one tip as to how to reduce nausea, and then you can promote this offer. As far as matching the right offer to the YouTube traffic is concerned, the offers that work best for YouTube traffic are email and zip submit offers. Although these offers used to be extremely popular, especially the gadget offers, nowadays gift card offers seem to convert better. That's why sometimes you will see that when an advertiser is offering a free gadget, he will also offer a gift card in combination. Quote request offers like financial offers that we saw earlier work well with YouTube traffic. Gaming and dating offers, evergreen niches work well with YouTube traffic, because YouTube is primarily an entertainment medium for people. So gaming and dating offers will work very well with YouTube, as also weight loss offers. As long as the offer doesn't require the end user to use his credit card, such offers work well with YouTube. That is free offers, quote request, gaming and dating, where people only have to submit their personal information. These can convert very well with YouTube, We can always promote the CPS offers via email rather than direct link them from the YouTube traffic. More about email and list generation we'll see later. So that's about it for this video. I'll see you soon.